Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush suddenly starts flashing lights and you are unsure whether it is charging, showing a notice, or dealing with another issue, it can definitely become confusing. Sometimes the Philips Sonicare toothbrush keeps blinking even after charging, while other times the light flashes unexpectedly and the toothbrush does not seem to work normally. A situation like this can happen because of battery status, charging interruptions, brush head reminders, or temporary system glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Philips Sonicare toothbrush flashing light issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Philips Sonicare toothbrush light that keeps flashing. Try these. Step 1. Observe the flashing pattern on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush before making any changes. Step 2. Place the Philips Sonicare toothbrush on the charger if battery power feels low. Step 3. Check the brush head attached to the Philips Sonicare toothbrush if reminder lights continue flashing. Step 4. Clean and dry the bottom of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush if charging feels inconsistent. Step 5. Remove the Philips Sonicare toothbrush from the charger and restart it briefly. Step 6. Test the Philips Sonicare toothbrush again and confirm the flashing light returns to normal behavior.